I'm Cabrielle, and I work here at Missouri Star Quilt Company in the machine quilting department for almost 2 years now. When I'm not sewing and quilting, I love to hang out with my James and my 3 kids. I love everything NASA and space, and I love to read. And today I brought some quilts to show you. We're going to start out with this one. Jenny did a tutorial on the antique lace quilt, and I fell in love with it. And so this is my version. I did a dark background, love a dark background. And so this one, I used an ombre, and it's multicolored, so I mixed up the colors, and so it flows really well. Absolutely love it. The next one, I had fabrics, and I was given some patterns. These blocks here, I was given these blocks, and they said, have at it, make something with those blocks, and this is what I made. I had 3 of each, and so I put them on point and made a heart out of them. So I have 4 hearts, and I love the colors. Again, dark background. And another dark background. This one I absolutely love. It was a block of the month. It was based off of Yellowstone National Park, and this is actually the second quilt I've done exactly like this. And it's got all sorts of different animals and trees and flowers and big star. It's just beautiful, and I love all the colors. And now this one, my grandmother started this quilt. I don't know when, but I would pester her about finishing it. Have you done my quilt yet? Have you done my quilt yet? And she finally, when she found out I started quilting, she gave me all the stuff and said, finish it yourself. And so I did. She found the pattern in a library book and photocopied it and used a cardboard template. And so I used that same cardboard template to finish it. And I absolutely love it. This probably is the most sentimental one that I have. I can't really say I have a favorite because I love all of my quilts, just like my children. You just love all of them the same. And the last one here, this one is all flannel, and it is a log cabin, and I combined it with a drunkard's path. And I just love how it flows and with the different colors. And I love the backing of this one because I wanted 2 different fabrics, 2 different mediums. The bottom here is flannel and the purple is cotton, but I didn't want just a straight line, so I incorporated the flying geese to kind of blend the colors. These are some of the quilts that I have made that I've shown you, so be sure to share your quilts at #MSQC Show and Tell. Happy quilting!